Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I've got another unboxing video. Got a few boxes here, still waiting on some more gear, but this one is from Triangle Sports. Triangle Sports is a machine that we use for our spooling the reels. However, notice that our handle has been messing up a little bit on us, so I went ahead and got us another handle. Yeah, buddy. These things are expensive. God, they're so expensive. And because basically we're the end user, we don't get no dealer discount on it. And yep. So I thought it didn't come with the cover, so I ordered an extra one, which is good because I might be able to use it still on our other one, but I don't know. I think that one's already hammered and trashed out, so it's been rubbing our handles raw on our while we're spooling, you know. So I've been having to jump through hoops to try to protect our customers' reels and stuff like that. So, but meantime, we are getting in more reels. Good. Woo! Got a MXL Blue Raptor right here. How you doing, boss?
Hey, it's going.
Doing all right? How can I help you?
Just go look around for a second. I see you on YouTube all the time, so I'm from Houston, Galveston area.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm doing a video right now, so yeah, no worries. But feel free to ask it whenever you have any questions.
All right.
So.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Got the MXL right here. Single door. This is the Raptor. Oh, bloody. Didn't have enough drag going. Okay. Got another one right here. Yeah, buddy. So now that I'm able to get some supply in, I'm trying to get multiple of the same color going. So that way when they call, we can have the product available instead of only having one or two at a time. I mean, that's our goal, but you know, availability is still one of them things. So, and two, what it also does is it allows our customers, because with Abbott, you know, it ain't always a perfect exact same shade of coloring per reel. So like this one's probably the darkest one in the bunch. This one's probably the lightest. So what we do is we allow them to pick and choose which reel they want. Hard light bacon tackle. I am unboxing video. I'm doing an unboxing video right now, so can you give me about 20 minutes? Okay, thank you. Yeah, we still got customers calling and asking. Let's see what I got here. Got an 80. Something's real heavy. Ooh, they're just calling about this color right here. 80XW in black. There you go. Making sure all the screws in there, washers, bolts. There we go on that. Play with the first guys. Very nice. How you doing? Oh, is it good? Okay. And that's what I'm also trying to do, even with the bigger reels, still trying to get the quantity in there, so we got a few on hand. Hard Life Bait and Tackle. Yes, we do. About 7. Yep. We've got them from 10 pound all the way up to like 25 pounders. Yes, sir. All right. All right. Well, that's the first box. A lot of foam here. Got HXW. Ooh, that's pretty. HXW Raptor in green. 2-speed. Parts are good. Very, very nice. I'm assuming it was with y'all.
You have a second?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this one. Do you have any of your raffles going on right now or not?
I got 3 of them for the 552, the 2 MXL Raptor rod reel and line combo for 2 winners. It's one rod and reel combo per.
Yeah.
And then we also have the 130 T-Rex combo. Just a second.
How about the 552 raffle? How much is that one to get
That
out?
one's $20 a ticket.
Okay.
I think I only have 5 or 6 tickets left over or something like that.
Okay. Where's that rod at?
The blank is
Yeah.
right over there.
Oh yeah, is this the one for the Virgin blank?
It's a virgin blank.
Okay.
Hasn't even been
Okay.
wrapped up or anything.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we've got another one here, and that's I don't know what kind of rod this is.